What's that?
You know whose dog this is?
No idea. A hot dog. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's gonna be a little different grill video. I'm gonna see what hot dog is the best. I've got some Ballpark Angus beef hot dogs, some Nathan's famous skinless beef franks, and the Hebrew National beef frank. Grill is preheated, indirect heat. Let's get these on and see which is the best hot dog in America. Let's see the Ballpark, the Nathan's. They actually all look the same. The Hebrew National are a little bigger, so got the Ballparks here, the Nathan's, and then the Hebrew National. These aren't going to take long to cook, maybe 5 minutes. All right, these have been on for 3 minutes. You guys can see that they're starting to sweat. Sweaty dog. Little grill marks a little bit. I don't want to move these around too much, but take about 3 more minutes. See how these dogs taste. Evidently, Seth can't say ready after drink. Whoops. All right, so these hot dogs have been on for probably 5 minutes. Flip them once. You guys can see, they don't look too bad. Cooking these indirect can give you a perfect hot dog. If you guys wanted to put a little more grill marks on, you guys can just pop them over there like that. Just for a couple seconds. I don't want to mix these up. I want to make sure I remember which one is which. Looking at them, I really can't tell a difference. Let's see how they taste. So, got our Ballpark here. Bloop. Got our Nathan's right there. And then the Hebrew. Now, I'm sure some of you out there think that I'm biased, but if you guys seen my furniture, you guys know I'm not biased, regardless of where I work. Let's cut into these. They really all look the exact same, so I just want to cut a little bit of each one, give them a taste. So, all right, first off, the Ballpark Angus. Not good, it's a hot dog. I mean, not horrible, it's a hot dog. Tastes good, the Nathan's. Let's try that. Actually, right off there, Nathan's has a better flavor than the Ballpark. It's actually a good hot dog. It's actually real good. Now the Hebrew National. Not horrible. I'm gonna need to go with the Nathan's. Nathan's is probably the best hot dog flavor-wise. So I'm actually gonna put the rest of these on, have a nice meal. You guys let me know what kind of hot dog you like. My brother was over and tasted these. We did agree that the Ballpark was a garbage hot dog, but he was adamant that the Hebrew National was a better hot dog than the Nathan's. Maybe I didn't give the Hebrew National a fair test. Maybe I had the Nathan still in my mouth as I took the Hebrew. So maybe the best hot dog is still yet to be determined. But we can agree that the Ballpark is not a good hot dog.